UMLE kanot Shong ba Adelbert nong room lapan Jingshai na hospital halo ke Pynkynriah Jaka Shong ya hapok ing do bathau an kat ba hospital thomat isang mau dang khot yu mti dang ba kon sang ma ban lam khmat halo ke Jingkren sngu ya kinang mi khmat ki ba khlat uba Adelbert Rajang joint na ke Jaka Shong ban kli ya hospital ba kwa ban pan Jingshai halo Balei usya Pynkynriah ya ke Jaka Shong na ke ba mansua ka ba don khmat sya ke Jaka Shong ka ba kham Hadien speaker ong ba halo kano karul ba upan Jingshai henrei na kaling ba Adelbert kedau ya kano karul henrei ukwa ban pan Jingshai ong ba Balei lapan be Jaka Shong ni kumu MLA ka WPP namal ba ka parti ka suspend ya ha apsau tarik Adelbert ajal pesan hak ba de penpa ba kadai ka ba bian karukom le ka parti da ka ba kadau ya kumu ba Adelbert ong room kumu MLA Rai na kaliang hospital ong ba kam dai ka po ban ya kren ni kene hapo ing do ba but on ji kren u kam la jang u.
Now we come to item number 23, obituary references. Chief Minister to initiate, please.
Hello, sir. Sir, excuse me. I'm not supposed to interrupt, but sir, may I seek a clarification from your esteemed chair, like. Why myself being as an MLA from VVP, be in this position? Last time I was in this chair, now you are putting me in the back, so I don't know what's the reason. So may I get clarification from...
No, under what rules you are bringing a point of order? You can discuss it later on in the...
No, I did not raise any point of order, sir, but just to seek clarification. Because I remember for my party, they had suspended me on the 24/3/2025. What I'm raising my voice at a point of time that this is purely illegal, purely unconstitutional, because they are not in a proper address. They did not refer me in a proper address as a legislative, as a legislator. Adelbert, 17 North Shong, Constituency MLA. But they had referred me at a point of time as Adelbert Norum, Mr. Adelbert Norum, Shong. Is it true?
The matter will be discussed later in my chamber. This is not the appropriate place or time to discuss this on the House.